Hello my friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I saw today this 1992 Toyota Land Cruiser on the street and I couldn't resist to film it for you and share it with you. There's super nice wheels, and while I was filming, even the owner showed up.
I changed all the locks on the whole thing.
Nice.
It's kind of messy, but
no, it's not messy.
see, all this is
beautiful.
original.
My goodness, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And it's perfectly preserved in the Toyota gray color.
I have the seats.
Yep.
I have those that fold down.
Super nice, bro. And the way it divides, it's really nice and practical.
You know what I paid for it?
I have no idea.
$4,200.
Oh, that's awesome. Even better story. Because this is unbelievable. Just pure beauty. There's no question about it.
Yeah, I get so many people that go, wow,